Hello friends, today in this video I'll show you how I am going to generate unlimited number of songs with HeartMula and with my deep agent. So the research part I'll do using my deep agent, and the generation it will be done on my server, GPU server. So to connect my deep agent to the GPU server, I will add the so once I add the URL, it will be connected to my GPU. And now before generating the songs, I want to ask the deep agent to do a research. So I will open the code here, and I'll see the HeartMula generation code, like how it is generating the images, sorry, the mp3. So let's see the file name here. So this is the file name dot example slash. Okay, this is for run lyrics transcription. This is to generate the lyrics, and this is for music generation. Okay, so I will ask the deep agent to do some research, but I don't see any specific configuration to be done here. So I will ask the deep agent to do some research on the GitHub page, like to check the code. Okay, I found the GitHub link. So I will say, please check the code on this repo. This is a model to generate songs. I want to generate party trance song. Please check the code configuration and let me know the best settings. Okay, so I'll say use tabli tool for scrapping the page. So it has done the research using tabli search, and I see here is how heart lives. Okay, repo is set up, and what I recommend for generating party trans. Okay, uh, models. Okay, key CLI checkpoint. Okay, okay, tags, path to text file with tags. Okay, comma separated, no text, no space. Okay, mm, output.mp3. Suggested prompt design for party songs. Okay, create a file like this. Okay, okay, lyrics file. Okay, be safe setting. Okay, base setting is like this. Does it change the any setting? Let me see. Okay, so it has kept changed the settings little bit. Temperature, CFG scale 2, CFG scale here is 1.5. Okay, why? Okay, max audio length 3 minutes, good length for a transfer. Okay, slider. Okay, bit focused to top K. Okay, 50 Hz, good, keeps a groove consistent. Okay, more experimental. Okay, energetic variant. Okay, top 6. If the bass layer sounds too safe for generic try, usually very stable DJ tool. very stable digital variant for background loops. If you want more predictable loop friendly output, okay, this tends to keep harmony, okay, stable, practical output. I would recommend prepare a few tag lyrics, okay. If you paste your current command and maybe your current tag lyrics, I can, okay, okay, just I'll, the environment is here set up, so I will, give the path to my dip agent, to, okay, I'll just create a copy, duplicate it just for to keep a backup, and I will give the path to my dip agent, copy path. Please make the changes on this file on a remote server and create the lyrics on asset folder. So this is my lyrics file, copy path, create this file on remote server, the tags on copy path, tags file on remote server. I have to mention remote server because otherwise it thinks like, the files are on local, so that creates problem. So I mention like, always like it is on remote server to emphasis, put emphasis on it. So my tags and lyrics, everything I have given. Now output code, I will change the, examples. Here I don't see any option to, add the save path. Okay, I can save it here, I guess. So I'll say on the code, please, the code file name is this one. Okay, I should use the this one. Okay, on the code, please change this line to save the output with timestamps so that each output file name is unique. Okay, then I'll say, after doing all the code modification, please run the file using, so I'll give the virtual environment path here. So this is my path. Please run the code using venv on remote server. This is the virtual environment. So output is the timestamp. Okay. Okay, so this is a big instruction. So let's see if it is not getting any exception. It should, be able to do all of this on my remote server. So it has called the think tool, and if I see here, so I should see some modification. Hmm, examples 5 minutes ago modified. Okay, so it is reading. I think it is reading the code fast. Oh, now it is updated. So does it? Yeah, it has updated the mp3 file name, and if the output is generated, I will see it here. HeartMula, HeartLive. Okay, inside the asset folder. So I should see here. Tags are updated. Lyrics is updated. Okay, morning light on my skin. Okay, something it has given. Okay, fine. So it's I think it is yet to start the program. Let's see what is the last command. Okay, it is doing ls minus r. Okay, that is fine. So I have to restrict the uh, agent to make any ls minus r command on parent directories, otherwise it takes lots of time. So it is saying codec easy, but it failed because the checkpoint are missing, but not okay. Please check your folder ckpt. I already downloaded ckpt files, everything is there. Okay, I think it should run the okay, but model folder. Okay, ckpt, inside ckpt. I would say to cd into this folder. Please cd into this folder and then run the file into this folder and then run. Otherwise I think it is not getting the relative path. Okay, let me see what is the cd into. Okay, and okay, python leave examples dot py. Okay, let me see the dot examples. Okay, okay, model path version, call it like this. Okay, now I think it is running. So it would not take much time. Uh, just it takes some few seconds. So inside asset folder, I should be able to see the output MP3. This is still running. That means it is working. So I want to, create multiple lyrics file for different genre and then, generate uh, MP3 out of it. So that's why I have connected the deep agent. So let's see. So I can see one uh, MP3 is generated. I can see the progress also been reported back, but this actually cost lots of tokens. So I should, change the way to call it. Maybe, I will create another script uh, just to show the output like when it is done, because otherwise it will cost lots of token to show the progress, and also it sometimes it can, give exception, like the token limit exceeded kind of exception it will give. So kind of my deep agent, this is able to generate the song, but I see the songs are kind of like same time of type of output. It does not have much of variation. So I'll say please create 10 lyrics and tags for different kind of song, should be best quality, meaningful, and save the files, then run the Python code to generate the songs. Run them all together. So after running the code, I just want to, disconnect the agent. Let's see. Okay, let me see if it is creating lyrics file here. Okay, it has created multiple lyrics. Okay. So as expected, I got an exception here. The token limit has exceeded. So let me see if the MP3 files are generated. I can see all the MP3 files are generated here. So this way, using deep agent, I am able to generate uh, MP3 songs in bulk quantity without, manually making all these changes. Like it can, the deep agent can automatically do all these things, small manual work.